Hello! I wanted to chat to you about the amazing opportunity waiting for you starting your own Avon business. Now, there are so many different things that you can do as a side hustle, but obviously I'm passionate about Avon and I wanted to share with you what you can expect starting up with the Beauty of Success team in Avon. So when you get started, and you register your account with Avon, you've got a choice of a couple of different welcome kits to choose from. The basic one comes with 20 of these lovely catalogues, the Avon book, filled with our marvellous products, and we have everything in here from amazing perfumes, fantastic skincare. Of course, we are really well known for the makeup side of things, but I did just want to highlight to you as I'm flicking through the book here that we do so much more. So there's hair care. So your shampoos, your conditioners, hairbrushes, things like that. We also do amazing stuff to take care of your feet. Who knew? As well as that, I'm flicking through, we have got sun care, love the Avon sun care, and we have beautiful, absolutely beautiful, I'm coming to them, soaps, shower gels, hand lotions, and of course the Avon bubble baths and shower gels. You can get yourself a fantastic shower gel for £1.25. You can get yourself a litre of bubble bath for £2.75. Bargain, absolute bargain. We also do bras and my favourite gym jams. So much in this book that you can get. So basic kit, you get 20 of those books, you get a free lipstick, you're up to rock and roll. And I would say that kit's probably perfect for you if you love Avon products, you want to get a discount on your products and perhaps sell Avon to your friends and family, then that's going to be perfect for you. But if you'd like to take this business a little bit more seriously, then we have our power pack, which I've got here, and it is massive. Look at the size of that compared to the size of my head. It's huge. This is £39. You get 40 of the catalogues with this, as well as some amazing products. So I'm going to try and do like the whole show and tell, which I don't imagine I'm going to do fantastically because it's all back to front, but I will try. I'll do my best. Okay, so we've got a full-size Far Away Beyond perfume. We've got, I knew it was back to front, we've got our iconic Skin So Soft, we've got the beautiful Pillow Mist, we've got a mascara, an eyeliner, a nail varnish, a lipstick, the wonderful Power Serum, and I've even got my own bottle of that here. It's been used, you can see, but this is brilliant. It contains protanol and it really does make a difference to your skin. And right way round, we've got a new lifting eye system, where you've got a cream and a gel for above and below your eye. You also have, in case you hadn't noticed, these little boxes that pull out, which contain samples. As it says here, there's a box of samples for you. The eyeliner's just fallen out. So in the box of samples for you, we have got some lipsticks. I might see if I can open the box up while I'm talking about them. So we've got some lipsticks, we've got some skincare, we've got some perfumes, we've got some aftershaves. See, I say I'm going to do these things. Oh, and then I have to open it. So you get these really cute little lipstick samples. Aren't they amazing? So I think there's 4 different colours of the lipsticks in there. As I'm getting into the box. So yeah, there's oh no, I lied. There's 5 lipstick samples in there. You've also got some of a new skincare range for you to try in kind of like the different strengths, so you can see which one suits you the best. We've also got let's have a look, 5 of the Power Stay foundations as well, in different shades for you to be able to try. So from the really light ones to the darker ones, so that you can have a little try of them. And if your exact shade isn't in there, don't worry about it. At least you can feel what the foundation feels like, and just get an idea of the quality of the products. So they're the samples for you, but there's a bigger box. I'll just get that out. You can see they're like different size boxes, and in the bigger box, Avon have given you 20 samples of the bottle of perfume that's in the kit, and 20 samples of the power serum. And this is to help you be able to show your new customers all about the products. So this beautiful presentation box, all of the products inside of it, 40 brochures to get you started, £39. But that's not all. When you join our team, I'm juggling things over here. When you join our team, we will also send you a fantastic business pack, free of charge, to help you get going. And there's loads in there. We've got a newspaper, our very own team newspaper, called The Achiever, that has stories of loads of different people in here, from all sorts of different walks of life. And I'm just opening it up so that you can see, where are we? There we are, Beauty of Success. We're in the newspaper, and we've got our beautiful alpaca Boris in there, and it's lovely to see a photo of him in there, because yeah, we have alpacas. So you'll get a newspaper that will give you a bit of inspiration on what you could possibly achieve with your Avon business. We will also give you your guide to earning your first £250 with the business. This tells you everything that you need to know, and it's even got a quick like step guide on how to prepare your brochures up. I'll be there to help and support you anyway, but you've got this stuff that you can turn to have a look at. Gives you a bit more information about the business, and little things that you'll want to know when you first get started. We'll also give you a book where you can record all of your customer details, just so that you can track people and you know where you are with things. We'll give you some little thank you slips for you to give to your customers to thank them for their order. And we will give you 2 lots of slips. So you can see there's a bundle of slips here. You'll be pleased to know that it won't have my name and my telephone number on it. It will have your name and your telephone number on it. And these are to put in with your brochures as you put them out with your customers. We've also got some slips similar to this that sorry I missed you slips for you to give to your customers if they forget to put the book out. On top of that, this is my favourite bit, we will send you some stickers. Again, they're not going to have my name on them. These stickers are going to have your name and number on them, and they're for you to put on your customer order forms. So instead of having to sit and write on every one of the order forms what your name and number is so that people can contact you, we've got a little sticker to help you. So you just take the Avon customer order form, pop a sticker on it, Bob's your uncle. So all of that comes out completely free of charge from us to help you to get off to the best start. Not only that, we have a dedicated YouTube channel with all of the training and support that you could ever need on it, packing everything back up again, that can help, as well as the Beauty of Success Nichola McLeod YouTube channel that you're on right now. So that's in addition. You also have my undivided support as your cheerleader to help you going. I'm here as a coach, I'm here as a mentor. We will help and support you. And if you're interested in earning a decent amount of money from your Avon, if you're wanting to earn £1,000 a week, we will also help you with free books for your first 3 months to help you off to that really good start. So please reach out and drop me a message. You can find me on Facebook, you can find me here on YouTube. The links are below this video. You can just click on the joining link if you want to, and that will get me to give you a call, and we can have a chat through what it is that you want to get out of your Avon business. We've helped hundreds and thousands of people to have a successful income with Avon, and we would love to help you. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.